Bike check time. Alright, fit in my grips. They're all worn and comfortable. Bar ends, don't use them, don't eat them. Same fly bars. DK stem. FSA headset. Fit frame and raw. Primo Kamikaze 2 forks. Plain black wheel. Fit FAF tire. Cranks are fit flows. Yeah, fit flows. Pedals are E-clat. Surge alloy. They're really nice. Sealed bearings and everything. This beautiful seat. It's yummy, huh? Yeah, it is. Primo seat post clamp. This hub that I do not know what it is. Primo rim. And fit FAF tire in the back. The sprocket is a Shadow Conspiracy. Yeah. That's my bike check. I'm probably going to be getting a Cult BadBoy V2 frame in the near future. So, yeah. Beautiful. I love it. So you should all comment, rate, and subscribe. 'Cause that'd be awesome. Sick.